Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Shaving with Rich. Today we're going to be making an epic, massive lather. It's going to be great. We're going to be using Crown King, which is a vegan formula, and it's very slick. It's a really good formula. A lot of people, will lean one way or another as far as soaps go. They're basically broken into two categories. You've got tallow-based soap, and then you've also got vegan soap. And overall, I think in the market, I think there's probably more people that purchase tallow soap than vegan soap. But just to show you what it's capable of, this happens to be a very, very high quality vegan soap in my opinion, and so I'm going to show you what it can do. This is what it looks like, right? Brand new. You can see that this is a cocoa butter formula, Crown King. Anything that's Crown King soap wise is going to be a cocoa butter formula. Anyways, for any of you guys who had any questions about how this will perform or what you can do with it, I'm about to show you. So let's I'm gonna actually condense the lather time just to shorten the video, but I will come back, you'll see me lather it, and then I will show you in real time what the lather is, what I've produced from it. So this will be with the bull. Bull lathering does take just a little bit longer than a face lather, but you can make amazing lather if you're just a little bit patient and use a couple of minutes doing it. So that being said, let's get to the lather. What do you say? Alright, so here we go. This is what we have. I know you'll be looking at it going, that's not that much. Oh, really? That's how it works with the Hulk. It's going to keep a lot of that in the brush. But this is plenty of lather for anybody. I mean, we want to talk about creamy goodness. That is really nice lather. This is has a really nice sheen to it. It's not really picking it up on the camera, but it's very slick and very creamy. You just gonna have all the confidence in the world with this stuff, shaving with it. I mean, yeah, it's fun to play with lather sometimes, guys. Look at this. I don't want to get it on my shirt. Who plays with their lather? Let's be honest, leave it in the comments. If you can't get a good shave with this, I don't think there's much hope for you. Unless you watch my tutorial videos, maybe. Just fun. You look like Santa Claus, huh? And I still have all of this left. I mean, do a 4-pass shave there. That is legit right there. It's crazy is what that is. Uber Lather, guys. Uber Lather. Crown King, it's where it's at. For any of you guys that want to give it a shot, give it a try if you haven't used it. Maybe you just love tallow soap and you're sold on it. Or maybe you've got some of both, but you just haven't tried this stuff. Look at it. This is the real deal, Holyfield, I'm telling you. So I'm going to leave a link in the comments for any of you guys that want to just click the link. It'll take you right to the site where you can check out all the Crown King products in particular. You can also, through the same site, see all the PAA or Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements products. Same site. But I think a lot of people are familiar with PAA soap, and maybe not as much with Crown King. That's why I'm doing this video, is for those of you who haven't seen what this is capable of, you just saw it. So I'm excited. I'm gonna do a shave with this off camera in either another video or just off camera to enjoy it or whatever. But that's it. That is, you saw it with your own eyes. So leave some comments below, anything about the soap, what you like, if you guys are bowl lathers, face lathers, why you like it, anything like that. I'd be happy to get your comments. I always enjoy reading them. And we'll see you in the next video, the next Shaving with Rich video. Take care, and we'll see you. As always, thanks for watching, and if you want to be notified when my videos come out, just click the bell next to the subscription. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.